In many cities in Algeria, people often face water shortages, never knowing when it will return and can spend hours waiting or searching for it. There must be a better way. The whole idea came from something we all see in our neighborhood. Every day, big water trucks drive around selling water. Why don't we use these trucks to deliver water on demand? If we can order a taxi or food from phones, why not water? That's how Jalma was born. A simple idea connects people with water trucks driver through one simple app. You can request water with simple tap. It makes life easier for users and help drivers get more customers in a more organized way. It's a small idea, but a big impact.
The progress regarding our project. So basically we are using Flutter to build our entire system. And so far we have implemented the front end of both the client and the driver app. And now let's jump into a demo to showcase you this. Now let's start with the client app, which is Water App here. At first, the client will have a basic login functionality. After logging in, the client will be directed to this homepage. He can access the settings of his account where he can find all his personal preferences and personal information. To request water, either drinking water or ordinary water, the client needs to select the type of water he wants. After selecting, he will be directed to this page, where he needs to select the location where he wants to deliver the water to. For example, let's say إلى مكاني هذه, which is to our current location. Then the client needs to enter the amount of water that he wants to deliver. Let's say, for example, 36. After that, he will, by clicking on اطلب الآن, he will broadcast his request to all nearby drivers. After broadcasting the request, drivers will receive that request, and each driver will respond with a price that suits him. The client will receive all the responses, and he will select the one that suits him by pressing قبول. Once he accepted a request, he will be taken to a page where the current progress of his order is displayed. After receiving the order and delivering water, he will be taken to this success pop-up page, where it will display different information of the order. And this is for the client app. And now for the driver app. So basically this is the homepage for the driver. He will announce that he is available to work by pressing ابدأ العمل. Once the driver status is في الخدمة, he will start receiving requests from nearby customers. When accepting a request, he will view all the details of this request, and he will respond by inputting the price that suits him. For example, let's say 1,000 dinar. Once he sends his response and the clients accept his request, he will be taken to this page where he will have the location of the customer, and he can either call the customer or make the order as done. Once water is delivered, he can end the order by pressing تأكيد إنهاء طلبية, and he will be taken to the same success page shown to the client that displays the different information of all the order. And that's it for Jalma driver app.
Anyways, start now by the business model and how to get users. So basically we follow a clear and strategic plan. Before the launch, we create a strong visibility like on social media, Facebook, TikTok, and be posting daily content, memes about water cuts in Algeria, you know. And we show short demos of the app and progress about updates. And we also build a simple landing page with a 1-minute explainer video to collect early signups and build trust among the users in many wilayas in Algeria. And for the launch, we start in one city like Tiaret or Annaba. They suffer from water cuts, as you know, to build a concentrated base of users and truck drivers first. And we optimize the App Store listing and we test the app with real households. This allow us to gather feedback quickly from users, drivers, and quickly improve their experience. As we expand nationally, we rely on paid ads, micro-influencers, and aim to reach millions of Algerians, as our goal is to make Jalma as the standard solution for water delivery in Algeria and to keep users updated. We release regular updates, improve features, and receive feedbacks from them to stay active on social media and build trust always. For monetization, our business model begins with a freemium version, and we rely on ads and sponsored placement from local water suppliers, as as we grow, we can introduce a commission-based system, and also we can collaborate with bottled water brands to introduce like their products on our app, and introduce premium plans for drivers and who wants more visibility on the app. And this allows us to scale and lower our costs while solving a national problem and turning Jalma into a sustainable, highly scalable business. Thank you.